bra strap and cleavage show? Let's find out.
Now, as you can see, my bra strap is being shown. So, do you think it's okay for, if a girl's bra strap or a little bit of cleavage is being shown?
You can't, I'll ask you a question. You can't dress up like this and go to a market or something like a vegetable shop.
She's comfortable over here because the area is that way.
You won't be comfortable over there because our India ka people are man. Our India ka people are man.
They comment.
People, they comment. They do comment. They pass comment.
Now, some girls like to, maybe like wear a deep V-neck top, or maybe, they're fine with their bra strap being shown.
Talking about, do you look hot with this? Talking about some other girls, I find them cheap.
Now when people say that, girls should dress up decently, nothing should be shown, dude, the guys need to lower their gaze, seriously.
It depends on the decency of the guys. If the guys is someone like me, I'm looking into your eyes. The girls themselves will be able to recognize who the guy is decent or not. If the guy isn't decent, obviously the eyeline will be a little lower.
Well, I am from different country. I cannot wear what I would wear.
Are you okay with the fact that his underwear is being shown?
Is it?
Yes, it's we all can see it.
Even the camera can see it?
It depends on how you carry yourself. You just cannot come out of the house just for the sake of showing you come and show it. You need to carry yourself. You need to walk in that attire. And also in this, in a good place, not some random place you go in like that.
If you say you're going to a church or a temple and you wear such clothes, it's not really good.
I feel it's cool. For me, I can carry it well, so I feel it's cool. I don't know about others.
You need to look and think that you're going somewhere, so you need to wear clothes that go with that location and the situation.
Beauty is to be admired, not to be touched.
भाई लड़के इतने छोटे कपड़े डालते हैं, मुझे तो ये डर लगता है कि इधर ये छोटे होते हनुमान की लंगोट नहीं डाल के आ जाएं।
अच्छी लगेगी, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। अरे हे दिखाने के लिए ना, अरे हे दिखाने के लिए ना, अरे हे दिखाने के लिए ना।
The girls can roam around the streets nude. I care least. But it depends on the mentality of the guys. The more fickle and cheap-minded the guys are, is bad for the girls. But the guys can't help themselves. They're pervs, most of them.
They have to always know their boundaries or limitations. So that not look good. Boys see that things.
See, basically we invest a lot in lingeries. It's very expensive. So obviously we love to show off, man.
वो अच्छा नहीं लगता है, पर अब उस सामने वालों को क्या बोले?
आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड पहने तो आप क्या करोगे?
मैं मना करूँगा, मैं फिर उसको साथ में जाऊँगा ही नहीं।
ब्रा स्ट्रैप अगर क्वालिटी उसकी अच्छी है और नाइस है, ब्यूटीफुल है, फैंसी है, देन इट्स ओके। बट हाँ, अगर पुरानी है तो ऑफ कोर्स किसी को भी पसंद नहीं आएगा दिखाना। क्लीवेज डिपेंड करता है कि साइज कैसा है। इफ द पर्सन हैव अ ह्यूज बॉडी तो अच्छा नहीं लगता है। इफ शी इज हैविंग अ प्रॉपर फिट बॉडी तो इट लुक गुड।
बट इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, स्टाइल से कैरी करना आना चाहिए।